Okay, so we're going to be doing the peeking toe wrap, and this is a wrap I love to do. And basically what it is we've got just the little toes peeking out. So what we're doing basically is just tying the cheesecloth wrap or jersey, whatever you're using, just right around the ankle area.
That's not the one. Oh yeah.
Why does he want to see that one so bad?
Because it's up under part.
I like that. What's going on? We've had a lot of moving. That's what we've done, Grace. We've done lots of moving. Okay.
Did you hear about that?
Do what?
Did you hear about that?
No.
So when you do fertility testing, there's this one thing I do where they it's like tubes to you and
Just sort of crisscrossing the wrap around the shoulders. Definitely wants this arm a little higher.
She says she's like 13 out of 10. The only way she gets anything is if she's working her body and say
Just scooping the wrap under the booty.
she's like besties with her. Isn't that awful? Send that to her.
Just making sure we're supporting baby's neck.
Just no context, just send that and see what he says. I think that's funny.
And then we've got the peeking toe wrap. So let's get a shot. So I might get you to grab the bowl.
Bolt? Okay.
Yeah. What's going on here? You got some big feet, hey?
Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh my god, my nose is running.
We've got the peeking toe wrap. Not my peeking toes.
Okay, go.
Now, if you have a macro lens, this is a perfect time to take the little macro shots of feet.